In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ChatGPT with Gmail. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to bring AI assistance right into your inbox, so you can draft smarter replies, polish your tone, and save time on routine messages. All you need is your Gmail account open in a desktop browser. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in. Give the page a moment to load fully. Look to the right-hand side of your inbox for the vertical sidebar. This is the panel where Google Calendar, Keep, and other tools live. If you don't see it, check the tiny arrow in the bottom right corner of your screen to expand the panel or widen your browser window until the sidebar appears. Keeping Gmail up to date and using a modern browser also helps ensure everything shows correctly. Next, in that right-hand sidebar, click the small plus icon. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace within Gmail. It's the official catalog of add-ons that extend Gmail's features. If it doesn't open right away, refresh your inbox and try again. In managed work or school accounts, your admin may control which add-ons you can install. So if the button is grayed out or the catalog looks limited, you might need to check with your administrator. Once the marketplace is open, use the search bar to look for GPT. You'll see options related to GPT-powered assistants designed to work within Gmail's sidebar. Choose a reputable option with solid reviews. Read the description so you understand what it does inside Gmail, and review the requested permissions. When you're comfortable, click Install and proceed through the prompts. Gmail may ask you to confirm access so the add-on can read context from the messages you're working on. Grant only the permissions you understand and need. After installation, the GPT add-on will appear as an icon in your right-hand sidebar. Click it to launch. You'll be prompted to sign in or connect your account so the assistant can respond to your prompts within Gmail. Complete that sign-in securely and avoid sharing any sensitive information in prompts you wouldn't want stored by a third party. You're ready to go. From here, you can open the GPT panel whenever you're reading or composing and use it to refine drafts, adjust tone, or brainstorm responses without leaving Gmail. If anything seems off, try reloading Gmail, signing out and back into the add-on, or checking that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. With that, you've successfully linked ChatGPT with Gmail and can start streamlining your email workflow right away.